yun, so like there was a situation. Okay, so yun nga, walang mic, so gamitin ko yung
Mic?
opo, yung bigay mo. Anyway, so yun, ano yan? Hey guys! Pero feeling ko mamaya ng intro na maayos kasi nga parang di tayo nagkakarinigan dito. Pero yun, we're going to IKEA for the Swedish buffet. Yun lang. Okay, so we're here at MOA na.
Nag-ayos pa ako ng hair nun.
Ay! Okay lang, keep ka naman. So yun, we're walking to IKEA already. So yun, hey guys! It's me again, Agatha, and I'm here again with Ian. And today, tonight, we will be joining the Swedish buffet by IKEA. So yun, let's go! Ayun, okay, so we're at the queue for the buffet. Yun siya, kasi wala pa namang 7:30 and it starts at 7:30 kasi yung slot namin. So yun siya, since we are at IKEA family member, naging 495 na lang yung ticket. Pero yun, so like there was a situation. Dito ko may kwento. Yung situation was, ang pina-reserve kasi na slot is for July 3, which is today, diba? July 3, July 30. Pero nung chinek sa system, ang makabook sa July 10. Pero ayun nga, since error naman siya dito sa customer service. So, pinag-go live kami today. So ayun, we're not here. Parang nasa
Many minutes later.
with the drinks. Because Ian got the drinks.
Quiz. Oh, no.
What happened? Super full na siya. So it's 9:30. Yung slot namin is 7:30 to 9:30 and close na din yung Swedish restaurant. So end na ng buffet service.
Dear customers, our store will be closing in 30 minutes. We hope you enjoyed your shopping at IKEA. We look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
Ayun, so, yeah, okay naman. Busog super. Kasi we had like 4 plates.
Makita ko.
Hindi, wag na. Medyo makalat na eh. Pero yun, so, yeah.
A few moments later.
Ayun, so, yeah, so that's it guys for our Speeders Buffet experience. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button right there. See you guys again next time. Ciao!